Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this video again because I did it last year and a lot of you guys seem to enjoy it, so I'm doing it again. It is barely January, I know, and I'm already talking about Valentine's Day, but we gotta just get started early, you know, get those ideas of what you want to do. Also, these ideas could also work for like just not Valentine's Day, like birthdays, special occasions, anniversaries, so just keep that in mind. Anyways, I'm not gonna ramble too much. All of these are gonna be DIYs I found on TikTok. I'll have them linked down below so you can watch the full video yourself and, you know, give credit to the people who did these beautiful DIYs. But yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you some of my favorites that I was scrolling on the app. So the first one that really caught my eye was this scrapbook, because I do this a lot with my boyfriend. Like, we have a lot of scrapbooks, so we give each other like scrapbooks here and there for like anniversaries. So immediately, of course, I was drawn to this one, but this one's really cool because they do like, you open it, it's like be my Valentine, and then they have like a bunch of little heart photos that you pull and then they all come out and it's super cool. This one definitely took a lot of effort. They also did a playlist and they did like little coupons, it looks like, and then also a scratch me card. So this one definitely took a lot of time and effort, and it's just beautiful. Like, I really want to do this one. I probably will, but I can't say yes or no just in case somebody's watching. But this one is beautiful. This next one that caught my eye are just little tiny hearts that you cut out. As you can see, she took just like red paper, construction paper, and then cut them out and wrote little notes on them. It's like, why I love you. And this is such a simple, cute gift that you can give to them that kind of just is more than one day, right? They can, however many you decide to do, it could be 100, 300, 30, I don't know. It's just such a special gift and I really like it. This next one I thought was so creative. So it's like air dry clay, which I didn't even know was a thing, but now that I do, I'm like, I'm gonna try that. And she made a record player, but you can definitely customize this to, you know, whatever your boyfriend likes. Like if he's into music, you can draw his favorite albums like she did. But this can also be like customizable to anything they may like maybe figurines, action figures, I don't know, something like that. I think this is a great present for, you know, boyfriends or anyone, any loved one in your life. She absolutely killed it. Okay, for this DIY, so cute. Like, it's a picture of them and then she outlines that and then she just paints like around this. So this is a super easy one. You just get a canvas, maybe at Michael's, I don't know, that's where I get mine. And you can use 40% off coupon. They always have them online, so check. And then just, you know, paint around it, and then you have this beautiful frame of you guys. And it's like, I can't stress enough how cute DIY gifts are and how much meaning they hold, and you can keep them forever and then show your kids maybe one day, I don't know. I just think they're great, you know. Anyways, really love that. This next one is for my foodies, people who have partners who love food. This is one that I would recommend. I think my boyfriend would really like this. It's just crushed soda, and then like whipped cream and a cherry on top, and like, I don't know about you, but I would very much love a Valentine's cream day soda. So I think this is gonna be one that I'm gonna do because I really just want to try it myself, but also it looks super pretty. But yeah, that's such a great idea. This next one that caught my eye is Pokemon themed, but it doesn't have to be Pokemon themed. If your partner isn't into that, you know, it could be something else that they're into. Like my boyfriend made me, not for Valentine's Day, oh yes, for Valentine's Day last time, he made me a I don't know what it's called, but it looks like this, and inside is like fall trees, fall, because I love fall. So this is a good example of something that you can turn into customized based on your partner, and I thought it was super creative. This next DIY got a lot of views on TikTok about 2 years ago, so I don't know if people still know about it, but I think it's such a great idea. Like, it's hearts cut out of construction paper, and you kind of set up the construction paper in a way like so that you fold it and you put all the hearts on there. Of course, I'll link this video so you can go check it out and see how to make it, because I don't know if I'm doing a good job explaining. But obviously you can give this to your friends, family members, or your partner. Like I said, Valentine's Day is a day for all people you love, not just romantic partners. But this is such a good idea. Like, you pull it out and then all your photos flip out, and I think it's cute. Yeah. Oh, and also this wasn't for Valentine's Day. She made it for happy birthday, so that's what I'm saying. It could be used for many occasions. This one I thought was so unique and so creative and so easy, because all you need is paper, pencil, paper clip, and then write a little I love you pin, and you open it and it's like a letter that opens, and I'm like, that's so unique and so like, it's such a small detail, but you can keep it forever and your partner can look at it and be like, oh, they get reminded of you, and I think it's cute. Anyways, that one's a winner. So the other one that caught my eye was a heart, and you turn that heart into the shape of a letter, and you can write really sweet stuff in there, and once they open it, it'll be a heart and have a bunch of things, you know, reasons you love them, I don't know, something like that. And I thought that's such a simple way to get a card instead of buying one, you know, holds a lot more value. But yeah, this is a simple DIY that I think many people could do, and it's super cute. Last but not least is another like little cute little thing. Somebody made a typewriter actually, out of, you know, a used up old box, and they painted it gray, and basically on the typewriter they made hearts on the little keypads, and they wrote, "You're just my type, get it?" Anyways, I think this is such a cute little thing to make, and you can recycle your boxes too, you know, your Amazon packages, I don't know, and it's such a cute little thing to have. Like, I want to keep that forever, you know, if I receive that. Anyways, that's gonna be my last one for today. And that's gonna wrap up this video. I really hope this was helpful. If you were struggling on thinking what to get, you know, that special someone on Valentine's Day, now you have a bunch of ideas. And if you want to see more, I definitely would like to look through more, because I just did a first kind of scroll on there and I picked out the ones I liked, but I could definitely do more. Leave some comments down below if you want specific kinds of DIYs, or maybe not DIYs, maybe like what to buy said person for Valentine's Day. I could definitely do those. Anyways, subscribe, like, see you guys next time. Bye.